All right, versus time graphs. Yesterday we learned what the lines mean, and today we're going to do some practice scenarios with some graphs. So take a look at the picture. We are so close, but yet so far. Still got some distance to cover. First off, shout out to the 100%ers in Alcorn. This was David Bell, Michelle, Elena, Jeremiah, Anaya, Antoine, Crystal, Isaiah, Jamont, Derek, and Teriel. In Richmond, this was Amy, Dejan, Zaitia, Jalen, Kanijah, Ryan, Anna, Kanisha, Raphael, and Kayla. And in Yukon, it was Rainika, Fabricio, Justin, Kalia, Jonquil, Terion, Olivia, and Jordan A. So shout out to them. They did an excellent job. Our central question is, how do we track motion, just like yesterday? Our lesson objective is we are going to analyze distance versus time graphs, and our homework is going to be to finish the packet work. So our first note, a positive slope, or something that's going up, is when a person is moving forward from a start point. So I know that if this is their position, as time goes on, they are moving further from their start point. Note 2, a flat line is when a person is stopped because their distance goes on, but their distance does not change, but time still goes on. I'm still at this distance here, even though time is always going on. Note number 3, a negative or downward slope is when someone is moving back to the starting point. So this is their position or their distance, and they're going back to the point in which they started as time goes on. Practice question number 1. Ethan was walking from his house to the park. Below is a graph of his motion. What would explain the section of the graph marked B to C? Would it be that Ethan was spending the whole day at the park? Ethan was going home from the park? Ethan was walking toward the park? Or Ethan had to stop to cross the street? Question 2. Below is a graph of Jamont's shopping trip. What does point D to E represent? So this point right here. Was it that Jamont was going to the store? Jamont was shopping in the store? Jamont had to wait for his mom? Or Jamont was going back home? Practice question number 3. During which 2 letters on the graph above is Jamont stopped? Explain how you know. So which section in the graph is Jamont stopped?